All right, what's next?
Got the tower. I guess make a. Mm, we could try to make a blacksmith type building.
Ooh, I like that.
Well, the thing is, we could do with like a blocky design, like we did with the fucking tower, or we can use that one that I got off of YouTube.
Yeah, we'll go the one on YouTube. To be fair, I didn't expect to do the blocky design.
Oh, holy shit! I see what he did here. Holy shit! Watch the one that I posted in fucking chat. Look at what he
I don't
did.
see anything. Oh wait, Viking blacksmith. Oh, I see.
Oh my god. I don't fucking know where we would put that.
I'm lagging. There you go.
Building ideas. Room. Building tips.
Oh, gives you a lot of
Blacksmith.
stamina.
Another one. Oh, that one doesn't look as cool though. How to build a starter house.
I'm thinking about building it right here.
Where?
Right where I'm standing.
Yeah. Yeah. We could. Got to flatten the ground.
Yeah. Go get a hoe.
No, I don't want a hoe.
Go pay for one then.
No, I don't want to pay for a hoe. I'm not wasting my money on cheap sex. I'm gonna move that workbench inside the fucking.
Everything is flying. Okay, that. That. There we go.
I don't want to buy a hoe. Why would I buy a hoe? Is that still not fucking on? God damn it.
He's not gonna, bro. It's already midnight. It's almost 1 in the morning. You really think he's gonna be on?
I mean, hey, you never know.
And tomorrow I gotta study.
Oh yeah, you should be studying now.
Well, I was working on my essay, on my bibliography and stuff today. So I did do homework today. Just no. I got 3 different assignments, so I was doing one today.
You know what? We could actually put that little roundhouse that he made right there where that small house is.
I was gonna put something there.
What was gonna go there?
It's gonna be like a kind of like a coop, like a chicken coop kind of, except for boars. And then you killed the boar, and then you kind of ruined it.
I mean, you can always take it down. I just put it there so you don't have to run back and forth. So like once we're done with all of this, like building shit, we can then make that coop and then.
It is so hard to flatten this ground.
Come on then, Sonny. To be honest, I kind of like the padded set without the fucking cloak.
Just keeps getting fuck. Hold on.
Just keep. Oh my god. Oh wait, here I have a wood for you. Actually, here, I'll pick that up. Yeah. Whenever you need it. Can you see me through like one of the little holes?
What? Barely.
One of the holes. What if I crouch?
No, I can't
I
see
see
you.
you there. The fact crouching takes stamina, though.
It takes one. It only takes stamina if you're moving.
I don't think it regens stamina. Oh no, it does regen stamina if you're not moving, sweet.
All right. This is somewhat good enough.
I mean, to a degree, yes. Okay, Christ, be right back.
King. All right. So we need. Four. Oh, I see what he did. So we do the same thing up. Damn it. Okay, and then same thing. Oh, wait. Yeah, 4 times. I remember what. is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wait. Okay, so the middle one has to go. Okay. Then top one is 6. Go. So the middle ones just go straight, another 2, 3, another 4. Okay. What? I need more wood.
Oh, wait, you need more wood? I have wood. Come here.
I'm already home. Plus, I had to repair my gate. No, my hammer. Damn it. Wrong way. One, two, three. Okay. The middle ones also get beams. It goes out to the side. Are you just gonna stand there and watch me?
I have no idea what the fuck. I watched the video and it's like, what the fuck? You seem to be getting it down.
Yeah, because I froze the picture. I'm going step by step. I don't need to watch a video. I just need to look at a picture.
Like 4 large squares. Lay.
Give me a picture and I'll frickin' solve anything.
Place the 2 smelters on the ground.
Okay, so I got the middle ones. And they would need to both go 4 up. And then these just need to go this way. Okay.
How to fucking.
Okay. And then goes there. I can't see anything because it's too freaking dark. Wait, what? Oh, damn it. Nope. Oh my god, why does the nights always feel longer than days?
It's just fucking. I know.
Okay.
Might need to move the bench. Come on, stamina regen. I'm starting to doze off. God damn it.
There. That. No, this one is not there.
Fucking lag. Holy shit.
So I need to put. Oh, wait a minute. It is wrong. This one has to go this way one more.
Let me take a sticky note. So this is blacksmith. Eric. Houses. I guess a dock, a better dock. Already have a tap room.
It's amazing how much wood you can blow through just by one construction project.
I know. Trying to fucking figure out what else we should build.
We just do one step at a time.
I know, but like this is for future. Already got a watchtower. Well, actually, now we're gonna need more than one. Fucking- God. Oh, pen.
Alright, I got the foundation done.
Storage. Again.
Okay, so did build it here, and then you raise the ground 2 clicks. 1, 2. 1, 2. Needs to go higher than this. Actually, wait, this needs to go lower. Shit. There you go. Man, close enough. Okay. Fucking workbench, may I ask? Here. There. Look, there's a workbench. Yeesh.
Oh, fuck. Oh.
And I'm out of wood.
Okay, here. Take this wood. Fucking stayed up. No, I didn't stay up. I had to go work out in the fucking backyard. Clearing out a goddamn tree. Damn fucking thing fell over during that goddamn winter storm. But we almost have that fucking... So we built the watchtower. You got the tavern. You got the little storehouse. You got the kitchen. Someone got a road. We're working on the blacksmith. Dude, I made a whole fucking build list. Like, that's how fucking, like, blacksmith, barracks, houses, dock, farm, pens, storage, wall, lighthouse, longhouse slash castle.
Alright, I got the found. I got this one. Now I need the actual log. I need actual log wood.
Alright. See you tomorrow when you're on. Hopefully Zez will be on so we can fucking do something. Hopefully, here's hoping.
Yeah, probably not.
He hasn't been on, so... When did he fucking do that good morning? At 7:46. Oh, no, that was yesterday. Oh, wait, yeah. No, that was okay. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay. See ya. I'm gonna finish this first. So. So this is how he does it. Do this, that. This goes here. Then some in the middle. Middle, middle. I need like a. Oh, wait a minute, I know what I need. Need the log pole 2 meters. And the giant ones. Okay, so I know I did wrong. Oh, that's not what I'm gonna do. Okay, first we're gonna raise the ground here. We're gonna level it so that way this will do this work. So this one. So this and the 1 meters go here, and then we get the wood beams. Log poles. Then the wood beams, or log beams. And this goes here. Goes here. Take the normal log beams. Oh, shit. That's all I can do. Anyways, this goes there. It's there. This. I need more log beams. I should just bring the whole cart over here, obviously. Solution has all the. Oh, this one. This one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, we got some card on card action here. It is already nighttime. Oh, I mean, this one lasted a lot longer than I thought it did. So, get this. Get the log poles. Okay. Get the log poles. This is right. Oh wait, but not this one though. Hold on. So this one goes there, and this one goes here. Need some staircases, right here. And my habits room. And you know what? I'm just gonna go to bed in the house, so we can skip the night. You dream of a great tree reaching out through the night. One half of the branches crackle with flames, the other are green with leaves. Let's go repair our stuff. There we go. And this one, grab this one. There we go. This is the smelting room, and unfortunately, I'm gonna have to raise the ground here. So, all right, guys, we're gonna have to call it a night here. But before I do, I realize I made a whoopsie. These are not supposed to be here. These can stay. These aren't supposed to be here either, but yeah, they're good to at 6. So I'm going to finish most of it. Finish some of it right here. We're gonna call it a night here, and we're gonna finish it another episode. So if you enjoy this episode, leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more Valheim content.